Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome General Manager of Microsoft Partner, Go-to-Market, and Programs, Toby Richards.
Hi, great to see you. Welcome to Microsoft Inspire. So here's the thing. A Microsoft seller sees all the same SKUs as you would see as a cloud solution provider, as a customer might see in a direct scenario. So let's talk about the channel or the partner-led scenario. This is where we start to automate the concept of partner to partner, P2P. Imagine I'm a systems integrator that specializes in working with legal firms. I would buy a bunch of Microsoft Office 365, and maybe I would work with an ISV application like LawToolBox. I'd have a relationship with Microsoft via CSP. I'd also work with LawToolBox. Heck, maybe my law firm would also have different relationships. In the CSP environment, I now have access to LawToolBox as part of the catalog along with Office 365 or Microsoft 365. I can provision those together, automatically delivered an integrated package to my law or my legal firm in one integrated bill. Imagine the scenarios that you can think of as our services partners and our ISVs start to work together in scenarios like that brings greater value, more speed to market to our end customers. And so that has launched. We've got a number of applications in the marketplace today that our CSP customers or CSP partners can now take advantage of. And right now, really the work we're doing is really building supply of ISVs to create transactable offers that takes advantage of that channel as a service capability. Ultimately all delivered down to the end customer. Common catalog, common engine that supports field-led, self-serve, and channel. And like I said, we'll spend a lot more time tomorrow on that scenario.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mike Emerlon from the Microsoft 365 Ecosystem Marketing Team. And this is probably one of the most important sessions, at least for us, of the entire conference. The topic today is maximizing your SaaS solution sales in the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace. But generally, while we talk a lot about all the great ways that you can build better applications by pulling in ingredients from the Microsoft 365 platform in, this is where the tire hits the pavement. This is where ISVs can connect their solutions to customers. They can co-sell through Microsoft Field. They can co-sell through partners. As a partner, this is the session where you'll find out about how you can actually work with ISVs to bring solutions to your customers and solve their problems. And we've had a number of investments over the past year and continuing over the next year to really enhance those capabilities to reach all of your customers with the right solution at the right time.
Big value to the customer is one single bill to the customer for the first party and third party to make the customer easier and also to help you bring the better process and the better experience with the customer. So the customer will be much more willing to buy even more and bigger package from you down the road. So next I'm going to show you a demo. I'm on behalf of MSP. So the reason because most of you are ISV and I got the question all the time is, hey, how does a CSP actually find my offer? So I really want to show this. It's not a secret that you can all see this. So I'm logging in use a demo account, which is I created for the demo purposes, ProSquare. So this is when CSP logging into Partner Center. This is where they landed it. So when CSP comes in, and then they have different steps they can take. So today I'm going to demonstrate 4 scenarios. The first scenario is how do they discover your offer? The second one is how do they make the purchase? The third one is the subscription management, and third one is the billing. So the first 2 are more comprehensive, and the other 2 are easier. So first, where do they find your offers? So as a CSP, when I log in, and then there is on the left, there's a marketplace button, and then I click on the marketplace button, and they will load all these offers that are currently available in the marketplace. And then, of course, you have different choices. So I just scroll down here really quick. As I mentioned, Marketplace supports all kinds of offers. So it's not only SaaS. If you kind of use the drop-down, all these are available today. And there will be more kinds of offers, more type of offers brought in into the marketplace. And then, of course, you can also choose select based on the categories. And then, as I mentioned, Marketplace for AppSource is more of business users. So most of the chance that you click on business applications, it will shortlist that get you to most of the business apps.
And it looks a lot like AppSource, and
Yes.
because it's based on the same code base and engine as AppSource. So, you get a consistent experience whether you're a customer acquiring a solution directly or you're actually acquiring you're a CSP and you're looking to deploy a new solution for your customers.
Yes, thank you. And then I'm just kind of taking this and then to take that. So today, as you can see that, as I mentioned, there are much more in the pipelines of SaaS ISVs coming in. So today, these are the available ones so far for the CSPs. And then, of course, if you come in early, you have bigger attention. And then, so today, I'm just pick a LawToolBox, for example, here. So this is kind of how, as a CSP, I discover the offer. So when I click on LawToolBox, and on this page, we call product description page. So on this page, you will see a brief introduction or information about what this application is and what it does. And then it also provides you some of the contact information because we really want to help or bring the information for the partner to engage because the knowledge never stop at the website level. And then you want to kind of build engagement much deeper. And then, of course, the other tab is about the plans and the pricing, which is kind of the most important thing that most people want to see. So when a CSP or MSP sees the offer, and then they think that this probably fit their business needs, and then they want to explore the price, and then they have different options they can see and check. So this is a per seat SaaS, so it offers both the monthly and also the annual. So you do have the options that you can sell as an annual or as a monthly price. So this basically brings up to the end of the scenario of offer discover, and that's where your offer can be discovered. So now I'm switching to the second scenario, which is the offer purchase. So when I do offer purchase, I go to the customer tab because I'm a CSP that I already have quite a lot of customers that I have sold Microsoft 365 or Office or Azure to. So I'm selling your solutions into one of my customers. So I'm using one of the existing customers here and to demonstrate what I need to do. So when I click on one of the existing customers, I want to sell your solution to. And then what I do is I add subscription. This is a per seat, so it's always a subscription. So I add a prescription, and then it will load all these different products for me to choose. And then I can choose the ones that I want to add subscription for. This probably just take a little bit of time for loading. So to shorten the list, I'm just going to do a quick search, and then you can always scroll down the list as you wish. LawToolBox. Okay. So I can see these two. So I just use a drop-down list, and then this is the same information that you will be seeing or CSP are seeing actually on the Discover page. The pricing match there. The licensing match there too. So today I'm just going to place one seat. So when I place one seat and then I click add to cart and then I click review. So before I click final buy, I can take a final review of what I'm purchasing to make sure like I'm doing the right things here. And as mentioned is you can do monthly billings or you can also do the annual. And so this is kind of the last step of buying. I will not click the buy because otherwise it will generate a seat that I'm responsible for. So once you click buy, and then that is the end of the purchase, and there will be notifications saying like, yep, now you go to the ISV site to provision the user. So that's the end of this purchase. So the next, the third scenario is subscription management. So I have a pre-purchased one that I want to demonstrate how they manage their subscription. So if you click on the subscription that you have purchased, within a certain amount of time, the subscription can be modified, canceled, or updated. This is grayed out because I did this a while back. But you do have the option to kind of change and modify that. Also, here's the information kind of here is auto-renew. You can also set this as auto-renew. So there's all kinds of options that can provide here. The last thing is also very important is the billing. So as a CSP, all the information that's from the invoicing and the billing and also the monthly reconciliation file, all the information that's for those ones are all posted here. So you do have the one-page view to see all the first-party offers and third-party offers into one place. So as I mentioned, is Microsoft really opening up our platform and our commerce system to do all these solutions and then Microsoft products all together through one platform. So yep, so I'm done with my demo. So now I'm switching to Mike.
Yeah, great stuff.